Alright, in the previous couple of lessons we have seen how to create the widgets. Now let's see how to place the widgets using layouts. I'm going to use the two basic layouts, that is horizontal layout and second one is vertical layout, that is QHbox layout and QVbox layout respectively. Right, so let me do some minor changes into this code before putting everything into the layout. The first thing is, let me set the fixed size to be 1200 and the height is 600. And after that I just want to create the Q label and let me comment all the Q labels whatever I'm having with me, and this is for image and etc. And I will place this first. What I'll do, since it is in the rich text, I will make it as label1. That's going to be equal to qtw.q layout, and let me say this is my welcome to PyQT basics programming. Okay, and let me write something here. This application demonstrate simple PyQT programming. Okay, and let me put this as my label 2. Okay, now this is my label and let me name it this my label img, mentioning that this is my label image. Let me copy and paste it again. Okay, so this and all comes under my label. And the next one is qline edit. And what I'll do, let me remove the default value, and instead of that let me put only the placeholder. And what I'll do here, instead of putting the type something, I will say some enter your name, or I'm asking the user to enter his name. And after that I'll also enable the push button, and what I'll do, I'll just make it as select, and I'm also having some combo box with me. Okay, so what I did here is I just simply commented all the widgets. Now let's place everything using layouts. Okay, layouts. As I said, we are going to use the two layouts. One is a vertical layout and second one is a horizontal layout. So let me create the H layout, which is a horizontal layout. That's going to be equal to qtw.qHbox layout. This is horizontal layout. And the next I will also use vertical layout. That's going to be equal to qtw.qVbox layout, and this is vertical layout. Okay, so here is what I just want to place everything here. So what I want to do is that on the left hand side I will put all the labels saying that label 1, label 2, and also I'll place the qline edit and combo box and push button at the end. So I just want to put everything in the top to bottom. For that sake, what I will do, I will use this V layout, that is vertical box layout. So let me take the V layout, and now if at all you want to add any widgets into the layout, then simply mention the add widget. Now inside just mention the what are the label or what are the widget you want, you can simply add into the layout. That's it. Now also add v layout dot add widget, and this is my label 2. Okay, let me change the spelling. This is label, and copy this and paste it here. And similarly the next one I just want to add here is the line edit. So v layout dot add widget, and I want to add line edit. Next is v layout dot add widget, and next I want to add here is a combo box, and finally v layout dot add widget, and I want to add button. That's it. So that's what the widgets that was there in my left hand side. On the right hand side I want to place the image. already have the image label with me, so I just want to place this on the right hand side. So for that, what we have to do is that we have to use the horizontal box layout. So the first thing is that let's place everything on the left hand side on the horizontal layout. Always remember, Hbox layout will add the widgets from left to right. So that's the reason this is my horizontal layout, always from left to right. So my H layout, we need to add the layout here. So add layout, and the layout that I want to add here is V layout, and on the right hand side I just want to add the widget. So H layout dot add widget, and this is going to be the widget is label underscore img. So that's it. So this is how I can able to create a simple application where I'm having the couple of buttons and couple of edits or there on the left hand side and the image on the right hand side. Okay, so that's what I'm having with me. Now let me save this. Yeah, and one more thing we need to add here is that we need to show this layout to our application. In order to do that, what I'll do, this is basically the end, and just add the layout. So this is my set layout. This just set the base layout here. The base layout in the entire this application is H layout. So this is my H layout, is what my base layout. With that, we can able to display everything and the Qt template. Let's see that. Python run this one, this Qt template.py. Execute it. Here we go, and you can see that this is my title is there, and we have the Q label saying that this is my welcome to Python programming, and this is also one more Q label saying the application demonstrates simple Python programming. And here you go, we have the Q line edit, and you can type whatever other things you want, and you can mention my name or whatever you want, you can do that. And this is my combo box, and we have the combo box with me and also the push button. Okay, this is how we can able to use the layout and place the widgets. Cool, right? I will see you in the next lecture more on this. Until then, happy learning.